Alright, what is going on, everybody? We're back with another video. Got my wife here today and we're going to do some demonstrating on her Scx10ii with her Bronco body that she put on there. We made a few changes here and we're just trying to see how it does. So I'll show you what we did and then she's going to test it and let me know what she thinks.
Let's find out.
So we got these wheels I took off of my Blazer because the hubs take the beef tubes, beef patties. So I tried to originally put them on my SSD wheels for my Element kit. They don't fit the SSD wheels. So once I found out they fit these, I wanted to put them to good use. And she does complain about it being light and it gets a little bouncy. So I got the BF Goodrich tires on here, the KM3s. And they are on these Incision wheels, and they do have the Crawler Innovation foam in there. They have gotten a little wet, so I'm not 100% sure how good they are, but I haven't had any problems with them on the Blazer. So we're gonna see how they perform on this truck, and we're gonna see how those beef patties do. So let's do it. Okay, first up is this rock here. This is one I really like to do. I slow climb it and see exactly how the tires hook up. All right, here she goes.
Slow climb?
Yeah, just go nice and slow. Oh, like butter. Goes right up. All right, so how does it feel after the first climb with the beef patties?
Feels like it's easier to climb those hills. Feels way better, for sure. I can feel it.
Nice. Okay, here she is, trying to make a pretty hard climb here.
Of course, after I say it feels easier, I'm having a hard time.
Yeah, well, this is steep here, getting up on there. Might have to bump it up. There you go. Oh, timber. All right, so here's just a quick setup on this rig. It's all stock electronics except the motor. It's got a Holmes Hobby Sport series in there, super cheap. I paid like 15 bucks. On 3S, this is a graphene pack from Turnigy and just one of those cheap $20 servos. And then of course underneath I went with some nice Incision links, and that really beefs this thing up because this truck did start its life as a deadbolt, and now we got those Vanquish wheels or Incision wheels on there, and with those brass weights it's really helping. And we got Proline KM3s, which are great with Crawler Innovation foams in there. So I mean, this truck is very lightly modified. Nice. Stop. Like you did.
Y no puedo.
Alright guys, so we just got done doing the testing. The Bronco definitely seems to be a little more planted with those little beef patties in there. She really liked it, so that's really good. We're going to keep testing it, but we just wanted to show you quick that that's a great way that you can add some weight to the low end of your rig, and it's the first time I actually used that product. So it was super sweet, highly recommend them. But thanks for watching. As always, we'll catch you in the next one.